Welcome to Drexel's Kaczmarczik Lecture, featuring Nobel laureates and renowned scientists from around the world, and where the Drexel Physics Department welcomes hundreds of students from area high schools to explore the exciting world of physics.
I think the value of hosting the Kaz Lecture every year is connecting with students and members of our community in the surrounding area, not just in Philly directly, but in the surrounding suburbs. We get a lot of students who come in. More of them tend to be interested in sciences and what they're ready to learn. They want to know more about things they're already interested in going into in the future. But we also have students who are coming in not really sure about where they want to go, if they want to do science. They find stuff they're super interested in and end up thinking about pursuing science, especially physics, in the future, which is really amazing. I've noticed that we've had some students from those high schools who have attended the Kaczmarczik Lecture actually come in and study physics or other sciences here at Drexel.
Each year, the Kaczmarczik Lecture hosts an exciting science fair featuring interactive and informative experiments, led by Drexel faculty and students.
Yeah, so the value of inviting these high school students in is that they get to, first of all, learn some cool physics things, which is always good. But the more important thing is that I get to interact with these graduate students, these undergraduate students, these professors who are all doing physics, and they can ask questions not just about the physics, but they can learn more about the process of being a physicist, which is good for the people who might want to be physicists, but it's also good so that people have better understanding of what physicists do in general. Yeah, so in a way, we're providing a first access point to physics and physicists for all these high school students that come.
The Kaz Lecture is absolutely amazing, with student volunteers and faculty volunteers all kind of on deck, ready to just show all the cool stuff that we do in the physics department. It's just a really amazing day.